Is your BMW key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. BMW fobs typically use a CR2032 lithium coin cell. Replace it by carefully prying open the fob. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions. Once replaced, test the fob. If it still doesn't work, try resyncing it with your car. A simple resync involves inserting the fob into the ignition and cycling the key. Software updates can cause issues. Ensure your car's software is up to date. Use the iDrive menu to check for updates. Third-party OBD2 scanners are gaining popularity for resyncing. If your BMW has comfort access hands-free entry, proximity sensor glitches might be the problem. These sensors can fail due to antenna misalignment or signal interference. Comfort access problems are more common in humid climates due to sensor fogging. Shielded storage can help prevent this issue. If battery replacement and resyncing don't work, comfort access antennas may need adjustment or repair. Dealership diagnostics may be necessary for complex issues. Digital keys via the BMW Connected app are becoming more prevalent. Consider using that in place of the physical key fob. Keep in mind that security risks like fob hacking are increasing. Regularly update the iDrive software to maintain security.